What's up, everybody? Sorry if it's a little bit dark. I might have to edit this, but it's been a while. Let me explain. I haven't posted in 3 weeks for primarily, I think it would be 3 reasons. 3 good reasons. One reason, I'm not here to make excuse. Like, I'm not here trying to say I'm lazy or whatnot, blah, blah, blah. But first reason is because, money. Obviously, Lexuses are pretty pricey to fix up. I tried thinking really hard, but I was getting parts week after week. I just didn't have the funds because of reason number two, and that's because I was going to Portland for my girlfriend's birthday weekend. Third reason is because recording on my phone. It's been such a struggle to transfer the videos. I mean, it would take me literally like a full night just to transfer the videos, when it takes me generally a full night to edit car videos from my phone and whatnot and transfer it if successful. The problem I'm getting is that it says there's a transferring problem, something having to do with like the wire or the connection. It's probably my computer, but if I were to upgrade my computer, that'd be pretty pricey too, because actually I want to upgrade everything. So that's primarily the 3 reasons why. One being money. You need money to fix up cars and get cool car parts. Two, saving up money to go to Portland with my girlfriend. And three is stupid connection. So sorry about that, guys. I'm back. So first things first, before we get into the parts haul, make sure you guys please like, comment, subscribe. And wow, I'm almost at 50 subscribers. I don't know what to say, but I am like super high. I keep telling my girlfriend like baby, like I'm getting there. You know, it's cool because I just want to form a community with you guys, you know, and it just freaking excites me. But anyways, enough about that. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, onto the parts haul. There's 3 parts that I bought. And first part is a very important part because one of you guys actually commented on my very first video on my new car channel, saying that I should get this because it will help. And supposedly, I did research. I was like, I wonder if this is legit. So I did research and it seems pretty legit. It's right here. Got on eBay. It did cost 30 bucks, 30-ish, 30 to 40-ish dollars. And the person I'm gonna shout out to, and probably I'm gonna screenshot his little comment, is Luscious Automotive. I think that's how you say it. So sorry if I butcher the name, but thanks, man. I appreciate you, you know, helping me out, helping a random person out just to fix his car. But yeah, shout out to him. So if you guys are interested in like Lexus videos, primarily Lexus videos, watch his stuff, because I actually saw some of his stuff. It's pretty interesting. So what I bought is this. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a mini VCI cable, and basically what it is that this cable works for Toyota vehicles. I'm not too sure what year, to be honest with you guys, but all I do remember is Toyota, Scion, and Lexus. And basically what it is that you connect this part, this is an OBD2 connector, to the car, and then connect this USB cable to your laptop. And basically what it is you install this, and basically what it is, it's like Toyota Tech Stream, where it tells you, it's kind of like an OBD scanner, where basically you could change instrumental stuff or change the locks. It was pretty interesting. Yeah, it's like an OBD scanner. Connect your laptop and whatnot. Use this, install the program, use your laptop basically, and it tells you like what's wrong. So supposedly this works. We will find out. And yeah, this is literally the first part. So I'll give you guys a little rundown on how it looks like. Bag. eBay, guys. Best bets to find this on eBay, $20 and $30. And yeah, I mean, nothing special. The package comes with a cable, obviously, and the program you need to download. So this right here could literally tell you what's wrong with your car and tell you which sensor, or whether it's a speed sensor, ABS sensor, whatever. This will help you. So I'm pretty psyched to use this because that light has been super annoying. I also, when I do the video for this part right here, we're gonna test it out together. We're gonna see the cool features and whatnot. So pretty excited. That's part number one. Part number two. This is nothing special. It's not aftermarket, whatnot. It's just something little. I could just give you guys some content, you know. I am gonna think of ways to just provide content weekly without having to spend so much money until my bills go down. So that's my primary goal. So I hope you guys are patient. But yeah, basically what I got is I got something from Rock Auto. So what I got is I got hood lift supports, because every time I'm looking at my engine, or maybe even cleaning my engine, this happened to me like twice. The freaking hood fell on my head, and it's one of those like, what the heck? And I got like angry. I was like, what the heck? And I like pushed it up, and then I was looking at the hood, and I was just like, what the heck? Is it slowly like going down? And I just waited, and boom, it slammed again. So this is something small. I spent like 20-30 bucks on this. It's generally gonna be easy, but who knows? Maybe you guys might need to fix it. Something small like this could be fixed. So who knows? Rock Auto, shout out to them. Got it for the low. And then my third part, again, I don't have it, because the third part is me fixing this. That stupid VSC light right here. That primarily is what I'm gonna fix, because I know a lot of you guys subscribe to my channel waiting for me to fix it. It's time to fix it. So whether it's 200 to 500 to 1800, I don't know how much it costs, whatever, I'm gonna show you guys how to freaking fix it. But I know, unfortunately, I did spend 20 bucks to fix it, and maybe even like hundreds to get that sensor, if it is a sensor. But you know, this will save you a ton of time, because you could literally find out every code for your Toyota, Lexus, or Scion with this cable, depending on the year actually. So let me confirm. Oh, right here. So yeah, full support from 1997 to 2018 Toyota, Lexus, Scion vehicles worldwide by OBD2. Wow, that's freaking great if you ask me. So third part is, whatever my problem is, this is gonna save us, guys. So it's a very quick video. I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry for no content for 3 weeks. I do want to get a new camera too. I don't want to use this camera because this is for like those cinematic cool effects and whatnot. And I want to use my phone because you guys could bear with it, and thank you guys for bearing with it. But just exporting like 10-minute videos and 5-minute videos, 3-minute videos, like even a couple of seconds, sometimes it doesn't go through, and it's annoying. But just a little update as well before I let you guys go. This month, or the next 3 videos, or 4, whatever, I won't be fixing the Lexus for a while. And the reason why I say that is because it's summertime. Now you guys are probably wondering, why wouldn't you want to fix your Lexus? It's the perfect weather to make your car nice. Well, like I said, this is a car channel. This isn't a Lexus channel. This is literally me and my cars and fixing it up and showing it to you guys. And that's primarily the reason why I won't be fixing my Lexus a lot, like consistently. The reason behind that is because my Honda. So my channel before was actually of my Honda, and I noticed that a lot of my views got from Lexus videos, but I don't know, I don't want to chase views, you know. I want to fix my car, my first car, and I know that's going to be a lot cheaper and it's going to have a lot more content. So I hope you guys stick with me. If you guys subscribe thinking it's a Lexus channel, I'm very sorry, but it is a car channel, and it's just me and my Honda and my Lexus. And also, it's smog season for me, so I literally have until 4 months. I have 4 months to fix my Honda. I have a shitload of car parts that I want to install before it gets super hot and I won't have time to fix these things. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, next 3 videos, it's gonna be all about the Lexus. I will throw Lexus videos here and there during the summer, don't get me wrong. But as for now, my main goal after fixing the Lexus is to get my Honda running out of jack stands, putting new wheels, and all this other stuff. So please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get this thing on the road.